Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be working on a art assignment where I'm going to be making a stop motion and I'm going to draw it out. This is going to be fun and hopefully entertaining. I doubt it. And hopefully I learned something cool. And hopefully this turns out really good because it is due at midnight and I haven't even started it yet. So this shall be interesting. Let's get started with the project. So I'm going to be using this marker paper because I don't like it. It's really, what is this? Ew, did I draw that? I was gonna do like a skin test thing, but ew, my old art style. Ugh, ugly. Get that out of my face before I burn my eyes. I have this story in my head. I like to make up in my free time when I'm not drawing. I like to make up stories and write stories on my free time. And this is a story that I made up. Haven't really started writing it yet, but I've made a whole character sheet about this story. I wrote in my character sheet that she had blue hair, blue and pink hair, and she had blue eyes. So I found a fish that fits those descriptions. It's a betta fish. This is what I'm gonna be drawing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be drawing. This is Tossie, the main character. So I'm gonna draw that. And I'm gonna draw the ocean. I keep on thinking this touchscreen. I'm gonna draw an ocean right now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna speed it up so you guys won't get bored. And yeah, let's get started. Alrighty, so I got my background done. Let me clean up my surface. So now I'm going to draw a amulet, which is kind of the whole purpose of this story, pretty much. She finds this amulet and her uncle gets mad and blah, blah, blah. So I'm just gonna use this scrap piece of paper that I messed up on and draw a amulet. It's basically a necklace if you don't know what an amulet is. So I'm gonna draw that. Here's my amulet, so cute and tiny. Can you guys see that? Focus, focus, focus. Guys, it doesn't want to focus. There we go. Yep, so got some tiny detailing scissors and I'm gonna cut this bad boy out. There we go. I don't know how that got there, but here it is. I need to fix the little, I don't know how I'm gonna cut the middle out. what did you guys think about it? There are some things that I could change, but that's what happens when you do things at the last minute. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section below, or by giving this a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.